Want to start earning money from the comfort of your home? Fiverr is one of the easiest ways to make money online, whether you're a creative freelancer, tech expert, or a business service provider. In this video, I'll show you how to make money with Fiverr step by step. Let's get started. Fiverr is an online marketplace where freelancers offer services, also known as gigs, starting from $5. From graphic design and writing to voiceovers, video editing, and digital marketing, Fiverr offers a wide range of categories for freelancers to sell their skills. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a beginner, Fiverr can be a great way to make money with your talents. Now that you know what Fiverr is, let's go over how to get started and set yourself up for success. First, head over to www.fiverr.com and sign up for a free account. You can either join using your email or connect with Facebook or Google. Next, create your seller profile. Your profile is key to attracting clients, so make sure you include a professional photo, describe your skills, and list any relevant experience. Be clear and concise in your bio, and don't forget to showcase your portfolio if you have one. Now it's time to create your first gig. This is where you'll detail what services you offer, how much you charge, and what clients can expect. Click on Create a New Gig. Start by selecting your gig category and writing a catchy title. Make sure your title is clear and tells potential clients exactly what you're offering. Then, add relevant tags and choose a category that fits your gig. Fiverr allows you to offer different pricing packages. You can start with a basic package and offer more services or faster delivery at higher price points. This is a great way to increase your earnings as you gain more experience. Next, write a compelling gig description. Explain exactly what clients will get when they hire you and why you're the best person for the job. Lastly, upload samples of your work to show potential clients the quality of your services. Section 4. Getting your first client. Once your gig is live, the next step is to land your first client. This can be tricky when you're just starting out, so here are some tips. Step 6. Promote your gig. Promote your gig on social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. The more visibility your gig gets, the more likely you are to attract buyers. Step 7. Respond quickly to buyer requests. Fiverr allows buyers to send inquiries before placing an order. Make sure you respond quickly and professionally to any messages you receive. A fast response rate can increase your chances of securing a gig. Step 8. Offer competitive pricing and fast delivery. When you're starting out, it's helpful to offer competitive pricing and faster delivery times to stand out from more experienced sellers. Section 5. Earning more and scaling up on Fiverr. Once you've completed a few gigs and earned some positive reviews, you can start scaling up and earning more on Fiverr. Step 9. Offer gig extras. Gig extras allow you to charge additional fees for premium services like faster delivery, additional revisions, or exclusive add-ons. This is an easy way to increase your income per project. Step 10. Get positive reviews. The key to success on Fiverr is getting positive reviews. Always communicate clearly with your clients, meet deadlines, and deliver high-quality work. The more 5-star reviews you earn, the higher your gig will rank in Fiverr's search results. Section 6. Success tips to boost your income. Here are a few more tips to help you succeed on Fiverr and maximize your earnings. Tip 1. Keep your gigs updated. Make sure to update your gigs regularly with fresh samples, improved descriptions, and any new services you may offer. Tip 2. Be responsive. Clients value communication. Aim for a fast response rate to inquiries, and make sure your clients feel taken care of. Tip 3. Specialize in a niche. Focus on a niche market where you can stand out. By becoming an expert in one area, you'll attract more clients willing to pay higher prices. Fiverr offers a great way to make money online, whether you're looking for a side hustle or want to build a full-time freelance career. Follow these steps, stay consistent, and soon enough, you'll be earning money on Fiverr like a pro. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on making money online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.